Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again and click on Screen Refresh Rate. Following that, tap on the best option for you in order to apply it. I will go with this one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!